Imagine discovering a black hole that doesn't just consume matter, but appears to help create new stars. For decades, black holes have been portrayed as cosmic monsters. Their immense gravity traps anything that ventures too close, including light itself. They have long symbolized destruction on the grandest scale imaginable. But one remarkable observation has begun to challenge that familiar picture. Using the extraordinary infrared vision of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have been studying one of the most unusual objects ever identified in deep space. What they found was a supermassive black hole racing through the universe at an incredible speed of more than 4 million miles per hour. Instead of remaining quietly at the center of its galaxy, where supermassive black holes are normally found, this object appears to have been violently ejected during an ancient cosmic encounter. Scientists believe that billions of years ago, 3 gigantic galaxies may have merged together. Each galaxy likely contained its own central black hole. As these enormous objects interacted, their powerful gravitational forces could have created a dramatic slingshot effect, launching one of the black holes out of its home galaxy at tremendous speed. The result is something unlike anything astronomers expected. As this runaway black hole tears through intergalactic gas, it creates a shockwave that compresses the surrounding material. Rather than destroying everything in its path, the pressure appears to trigger the collapse of enormous clouds of gas. Those collapsing clouds become the birthplace of entirely new stars. Behind the speeding black hole stretches a glowing trail extending nearly 200,000 light-years, longer than the diameter of our own Milky Way galaxy. Instead of leaving only darkness, the black hole may be leaving behind one of the largest stellar nurseries ever observed. This remarkable possibility reminds scientists that the universe often behaves in ways no theory fully predicts. Objects once considered purely destructive can sometimes contribute to creation under the right conditions. To verify the discovery, researchers combined observations from both the James Webb Space Telescope and the Hubble Space Telescope. Webb's infrared instruments revealed structures hidden behind thick clouds of cosmic dust, while Hubble supplied additional visible light observations that strengthened the interpretation. Together, these telescopes provided one of the clearest views ever obtained of this extraordinary phenomenon. Although researchers continue to investigate whether every detail matches current theoretical models, the evidence suggests that this runaway black hole represents an entirely new chapter in our understanding of galaxy evolution. It demonstrates that the universe is far more dynamic than previously imagined. Galaxies merge. Black holes collide. Gravity reshapes entire cosmic neighborhoods. And occasionally, those violent events create unexpected opportunities for new generations of stars to emerge. For astronomers, discoveries like this are reminders that every new observation has the potential to rewrite decades of scientific assumptions. And the James Webb Space Telescope is only beginning to reveal what has remained hidden across billions of years of cosmic history. The next discovery would be equally astonishing, an enormous galactic collision unlike anything previously seen in such extraordinary detail. After revealing the mysterious runaway black hole, the James Webb Space Telescope turned its attention toward one of the brightest and most energetic galaxy mergers ever observed. Known as ARP 220, this remarkable object lies roughly 250 million light-years from Earth. At first glance it appears as a single brilliant galaxy. In reality, it is the aftermath of an enormous collision between 2 massive spiral galaxies that began hundreds of millions of years ago. As the galaxies moved toward one another, gravity distorted their original shapes. Vast clouds of gas and dust collided, producing an explosive wave of star formation across the entire system. James Webb's infrared instruments allowed astronomers to peer through thick curtains of dust that had hidden much of this activity from previous telescopes. For the first time, researchers could clearly observe two brilliant galactic cores still separated by only a small cosmic distance, each surrounded by rapidly forming stars. The images revealed twisted streams of material stretching far beyond the galaxies themselves. These tidal tails preserve the history of the collision, acting like fingerprints left behind by gravity over hundreds of millions of years. Inside the merging galaxies, conditions are extreme. Stars are forming at extraordinary rates. Massive stellar clusters continue to emerge while older stars end their lives as powerful supernova explosions. This violent environment offers astronomers a rare opportunity to observe how galaxies transform over time. Every image captured by Webb provides new information about the complex relationship between gravity, gas, dust, and star formation. But perhaps the telescope's greatest surprise came while scientists examined objects even farther away. Deep within Webb's observations were galaxies whose light had traveled for more than 13 billion years before finally reaching Earth. These galaxies existed when the universe itself was still incredibly young. Initially, many astronomers questioned the observations. Were these truly ancient galaxies? Or could they simply be closer objects whose appearance had been distorted by unusual cosmic effects? As additional observations accumulated, confidence continued to grow. The galaxies appeared surprisingly massive, surprisingly bright, and surprisingly well developed for such an early period in cosmic history. Their existence challenges long-standing ideas about how quickly galaxies formed after the Big Bang. Researchers are now exploring whether the earliest galaxies evolved much faster than expected or whether current cosmological models require important refinements. Neither possibility overturns modern astronomy, but both encourage scientists to ask deeper questions about the universe's earliest chapters. This is precisely how science advances. Every new telescope expands humanity's vision. Every unexpected discovery inspires better theories. Every mystery pushes researchers toward a more complete understanding of reality. The James Webb Space Telescope was designed to explore the distant universe, but its discoveries continue to exceed expectations. From runaway black holes to spectacular galaxy mergers and some of the oldest galaxies ever detected, Webb is revealing a universe that is richer, more complex, and far more surprising than anyone imagined. And with years of observation still ahead, many astronomers believe its greatest discoveries have yet to come.